Fine, I won't take a picture. That's Log going to work on the treadmill.
Really, what do you see when you looking at me? See me come up from nothing, see me living my dreams. I done been to the bottom, I done suffered a lot. I deserve to be rich, headed straight to the top. Look how I rap for the block, look how I rap for the hood. I get nothing but love now when I come through the hood. Getting this fortune and fame, money make all of us change. The new Benz is all white, call it John McCain. How the hell did you stop?
Alright, just got done working out. I did some chest and arm workouts, mainly trying to lose weight, so I'm gonna try to lose 100 pounds and try to do it as fast as I can. Alright, this is what we're gonna eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Eggs, as you can see it's boiling. What I like to do is boil it, and then after it's done cooking, then take out the yolk, and just eat the white part. This is all I eat too. I'm kind of on a low budget, you know, when I rack in a lot. All right, we're over here at the bowling alley.
I've only been one time.
You know, we gotta end the night with a little bit of workout, a little bit of forearm workout.
Go get the food.
So what's up?
What up? Go get the food.
Well, you know me, I'm trying to go with the water. So
Yeah, right. Look what's next to him.
I'm not drinking that.
Diet Coke.
Oh, water!
Yeah.
Woo.
And look at his beer over there. That's his beer.
Oh yeah. Not my beer. Hey, what do you want to say? What do you want to say?
I just got it straight.
Tell everyone how
Did
pathetic
you?
you are.
Oh wow, give me 5.
Can you tell everyone how pathetic you are too?
This is how we bowl. We bowl in the dark. We bowl in the dark.
Don't mind that girl over there eating.
Oh.
Let's get down. Let me go
Can you
down.
tell us what the weather is going to be like tomorrow?
Anyways, so this is how it is. If you're in Utah, you know, check it out. It's on 7800 South and Redwood Road. It's called All Star Lanes. We got some nice music bumping. It's only $2 to bowl. All right, y'all. Oh, look at that! Look at that!
Oh, you missed it.
Oh, never mind. All right. Morning. Morning.
Morning.
Gina's like, morning, let me get by it, and I don't want to. So anyways, my freaking arms, man, hella hurt. Like the back, because I was doing those like bench press or whatever. Man, talk about like freaking hurts. But, gotta move on. Alright. Time to go drop Drina off at school. Early morning. My wife says her legs are sore from yesterday. Right, Drina? How do you like school? Yeah? Do you have a lot of friends? How come you're not wearing your seatbelt? Wear your seatbelt
And
so everybody knows how safe we are.
and there's twins. There's twins, Daddy.
There's twins?
Yeah.
Who's twins?
And their name is Marcus and Carter.
Okay. And are they your friends?
Yeah.
Cool. So you happy to go to school so you can see your twin friends?
Yeah.
That's good. Did you tell them that your daddy's a twin?
Yeah.
Yeah? And what did they say? Oh, that's cool.
Go left right here.
Follow these cars? Broken leg. Mwah. Love you.
Have fun at school, okay?
Have fun.
See you when we get off. Love you.
When do you get off?
6. Love you.
Alright, back in the weight room. What? Stretch? Yeah. Today I'm just gonna do the elliptical for like half an hour. You know, try not to overwork myself because that's like the main problem. people have when they first start off is they overwork themselves to the point where they're like, screw it, I don't want to work out anymore. Right now I'm just working on my legs. Just got done running on the elliptical, and it was pretty hard. Because that's what sucks about running, man. When you first start, you don't want to do it, but you just got to do it. One of those things you just got to force yourself. But once you get into the habit, then you're going to love doing it. Man, I'm still hurting. It's only day 2. As far as like the whole diet, like eating, that's the hardest part, man. That's gonna be the hardest part for probably the next month, because dang, it's just hard to stick with the food that you need to stick with in order to lose weight. Like right now, I'm just doing the low carb, you know, pretty much cutting out any carbs. Also, a hard part is like today we went out to eat at D's. It's like you know, one of those breakfast places or whatever. And for me, it was kind of hard because, you know, everyone around me is eating pancakes and waffles and all that good stuff, and I just had to order sausage and eggs. You know. Alright, it's Sunday afternoon.
But my
We're gonna
dad
pretty much go out. And so,
my dad.
right? Are you guys excited to go eat?
Jackson, why don't you have your seatbelt on? I just buckled you. Put your seatbelt on.
So anyways, I'm trying to like, you know, still stick with the diet, but it's gonna be hard because we're going to a buffet. So I know the best trick because I've done it many times and it still works. So when you're on the low carb diet, you gotta eat a lot of meat, and it can't just be like fried chicken, because the you know, the breading and stuff that's pretty much it's fried in, it's bad for you. So it has to be like steak. I think Golden Corral has steak, right?
Yeah.
They got like they got chicken that's not fried. They got like barbecue chicken or something like that. You can eat that. Eat salad, and when you eat salad, use dressing that's like, you know, low carb dressing. So it's gonna be tough, but I'm gonna show you guys the food when we get there.
Beef.
Man, I wish I could eat bread and rice. Why are you laughing? So this is my meal. As you can see, there's a piece of steak right there. It's just protein for now. I'm gonna eat salad later because salad can wait, man. Salad can wait. Just got done eating my protein plate. There's Jay eating his carb plate. Yep. There's Nas eating. What are you eating?
Sugar-free pie.
Sugar-free pie?
Yep.
Oh man, I wish I could eat it, but all that carbs, you know,
It just takes out the carb with the sugars.
I don't know. When I get down, then I'll start eating that. For now, I'm on a strict diet. I'm not even supposed to eat fruits, but just for today, you know, Fruit has sugar and it has natural sugar and carbs in it. But just for today, I'm gonna eat one strawberry because sometimes you gotta at least treat your body out to a little bit of carbs, not too much if you're on the low carb diet. Here we go. I already lost 11 pounds in 4 days. Thank you, thank you. Oh, whoa. We bow in the dark. We bow in the dark.